Hi guys! Are you ready for the theme of the week? I'm really excited about this one. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be creating interior design. Interior design is different than architecture. Architecture is when you build or create buildings. Interior design is when you design an interior, that means the same, inside space. So maybe a bedroom or a living room. It's creating a space inside a building. So let's go through that. What does that mean? Well, it's actually using the same things we use in art class all the time. They're called the art elements. The art elements are all those things that we put together on our canvas. So when we have a piece of paper and we're designing on our piece of paper, we're thinking about what colors am I going to use? What shapes am I going to put on my artwork? How am I going to arrange them in my composition? Remember, we talk about that a lot. How is it going to make it look the way I want it to look? Using the art elements. So let's think about that. Color, shape, texture, size. Those are just some of the elements that interior designers use on a regular basis. So they walk into a space, into a room, and they look around and they say, what colors do I want to add to this composition? What shapes am I going to put in here? How am I going to bring out the textures? What size are all the shapes going to be? So they're thinking about those shapes being objects like tables and furniture. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to be creating some interior design 4 different ways. You get to choose one. Remember, the rule is, my goal is for you to work really hard on a task for a half hour or more if you want. And you get 4 choices. So here are the choices. The first one, you're going to be drawing the interior of a home or an apartment. You get to choose. So on the next page, I'm going to show you an example of how to fold a piece of paper so that it opens up, and then you can design an upper level and a lower level and stairs and draw all the things you want in that interior space. Option number 2, you're going to be creating a 3-dimensional chair. So this is going to be like a pop-up book. You're going to open it up, and we're going to create a little chair in there. You're going to design your chair, and then you're going to design the space around it. What's on the floor? Does it have a rug? What's on the wall? Are there pictures? Are there lights? Then the next thing that you will be able to choose from, you could do a found object design. And this one has always been a lot of fun for the students in my class. So do you guys have any Amazon boxes coming in? Maybe, right? Are you eating cereal at home? Maybe. Save those cereal boxes and use them to cut out different shapes to make furniture. Use that Amazon box to become your interior space, your room, and make little pieces of furniture to go into that space. You can become an interior designer that way. Or the 4th option is to be a photographer. So you're going to find a space in your home, if you so choose to become a photographer, and you're going to design it just the way you would if you were going to put this picture in a magazine. So maybe you're going to do your bedroom. The first thing you have to do is clean your bedroom. That's what I said. Clean your bedroom, and then you can arrange it with your toys in the right place and the light and put your blanket just so, and then take a picture and show me that you've designed the interior space of your picture. Okay, 4 different ways to do it. Look at the next slide. I have videos for each of them to give you ideas of how to go about that.